How to borrow with HelpPays. Let's start. First, make sure that you are in borrower mode. We have several ways to create a borrow request. Simply answer the guided questions to create your borrower request. Enter the amount you want to borrow. Then state the reason why you are borrowing with categories, tags, and even a short message. From there, set the interest rate you are willing to pay. In addition to the money borrowed, the interest rate is the amount paid back to the lender. It's like a tip. And that's it. Review the terms of the agreement and submit the request to the marketplace. Borrowing with HelpPays is really that easy. Today you're a borrower, but tomorrow you may be a lender. Make a loan, change a life.